everybody, welcome on my channel. Sandra, what does the cat say? What did the elephant say? What did the monkey say? What did the wolf say? Awoo! What does the parrot say? No. What did the bird say? Tweet, tweet. Alexandra, what did the eagle say?
Ano?
Yeah, the eagle can eat worms and snails and birds. Yeah? Yeah. That's very bad. No one has to do that. Hey, Alexandra? No. Hey, Alexandra, what did the tiger say? Yes. What did the snake say? Good. What did the ant say? Boom. You have to say A. Boom. You see? Here, Alexandra, what did a caterpillar say? No. Yeah. What did the spider say? No. I want to get your deals. No, I want to get your deals. You say that. Deals. Hey, Alexandra, hey, Alexandra. Apple. No. I want to get your money. I want to get your money in my bed. I need to